So here it is. We finally got it on the trailer. I don't think I can. Can I turn this around? No, I don't think I can, but she's on the trailer. Ready to go. More video when we get home. Okay. Had some problems. Got the car on the trailer at the impound lot. Drove about 100 yards. Got a flat tire on the truck. So my dad's truck had a flat tire. So in the middle of Texas heat in the morning, changed the spare tire. Took us about an hour and a half to get that done. Now we've made it most of the way back to my house. Stopped at Denny's for lunch. And I will update you when we get the car in the driveway of the house. See you guys. Okay guys, it is home. It took us a long time to get here. I have my hat on because Texas sun is not very forgiving to a shiny bald head. So, first looks at her. She is what is referred to as filthy. Obviously needs a new windshield. I will tell the whole story later. I will post pictures, but she is filthy, needs a good wash. The interior is absolutely horrible as far as it looked like somebody was living in it. So next video I will do the first in a series of restoring this. Hopefully we'll be washing it, detailing the outside so it's not such an eyesore. I really doesn't like this thing. We got to make it presentable for the driveway. And then the interior, gonna take most of the interior out of the seats, front and back seats, center console and stuff like that, and just detail the crap out of it. Shampooing the carpets, like a detailed video. That's probably going to be 2 videos because it's going to be quite a. You'll see when I show you the interior. It's absolutely horrible. It's like the ones you see on those detail videos where the people are like, "This is the worst detail ever." No, she's right there. She's right there. Right there. She's bad, but we'll get through it. Look for the next video coming out soon. Any suggestions, guys, hit me up on what to do. I'll be showing when I do the detailing. I've also got to detail the engine bay and the engine, and then start diving into stuff that needs to be fixed. Okay? See you guys next time.